viewers, welcome back to Tasty Cooking Show. Here I am with another brand new video where I am going to show you how to make mango Roshmalai. So let's enjoy cooking till the very end. If you are first time visiting my channel, consider subscribing, and if you are already subscribed, thank you very much. First of all, what ingredients do I need to make it? What do you need to make chana? Milk half liter, vinegar 1 teaspoon and water 1 teaspoon. Flour 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, food color yellow 1 drop, What do you need to make sugar syrup? Sugar 1 cup, water 2 cup, What do you need to make Malai? Milk 1 cup, milk powder 2 teaspoon and condensed milk 1/4 cup. Sugar 3 or 4 teaspoon. Mango 1 piece, Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay happy, stay cool. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.